Now I'm gonna make some gingerbread cookies. Yay! I'm not a baker, not much of a cook either. So I bought some pre-mixed gingerbread cookie mix that I found from Home Goods, and it was only $4.99. Yeah, so it's $4.99. The instructions are to preheat the oven to 375, combine 13 ounces of cookie mix with 6 tablespoons of butter. I do not have butter, I have oil. I need to do groceries, so I don't have butter, but like I said, I have the oil. We need an egg, we need water, and then we have our little gingerbread guy right here. So I'm gonna get all the ingredients together. All right, bake this to 375. Ooh. 375. We got our eggs. We need a bowl. We got our bowl. And we got our whisk. Okay. So let's go ahead and undo this. Take our little guy off and take out the mix. All right. Turn you all around so you can see what I'm doing. See how I whip it up in the kitchen. Get you a real one that know how to cook. Okay, anyways. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have all of our ingredients right here. We have our bowl, we have our mixer, we have our tablespoon, we have our eggs, we have our oil, we have our mix, and we have our gingerbread right there. I'm just going to go ahead and combine everything together like it says on the instructions. And if you know me, you know that, like I said, I'm not much of a baker or a cook. And I also am a person who does not like to follow instructions very well. We don't want no shells. We need a tablespoon of water. Teaspoon. 1 tablespoon, and that's a tablespoon. Then we need 6 tablespoons of butter, but we don't have butter, so we need to substitute it for oil, which I don't know what the actual equivalent is. So we're just gonna do, I low-key just want to eyeball it, but I know that's not the best thing to do. But knowing me, I don't like to follow instructions anyway. Let's go ahead and use, I want to say like half a cup. Let's do half a cup. Half a cup. See if that works. Half a cup. This might be a bad idea, but we're gonna do it anyway. Half a cup. Oh goodness, this is gonna come out terrible, precious. All right, here we go. Let's mix that bad boy up. Oops. be back real quick. Okay, y'all, don't judge me, but this is what my dough is looking like right now. I mixed it up a little bit more, and I added probably a couple more tablespoons of oil in here. And what I want to do is also add in some cinnamon and maybe some vanilla extract. Let me just check if I have it in the cabinet, because it doesn't really smell very gingerbready. It doesn't smell that cinnamon like smell that you smell when you smell gingerbread. So I am going to check. All right, I have some cinnamon right here. I almost grabbed cumin, and that would have been a terrible idea. So let's just add some cinnamon in here so we can get that cinnamony flavor. Ooh, that was a lot. And my oven is already preheated. It just got finished preheating. Ooh, the smell. Okay, I don't think I have any vanilla, so we're just gonna go with this. I'm gonna use some of this wax paper to lay out the dough and do the gingerbread, do a little gingerbread mix thing. How's that looking? That's looking okay. All right. Let's take our mixture. This is supposed to make 30 cookies. I don't think it's gonna make 30 cookies. Chefing it up. Sorry for the odd angle, but like, this is just what it is. It is what it is. It's gonna be some thick old cookies. Okay. How's that looking right now? How's that looking? Our gingerbread. Okay, we got one. Hold up, let me let y'all see what we got going on. Bam. We got one cookie. Get it on the floor. 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 Okay. We got one cookie down. I'm gonna make like maybe 5 so y'all can see. We gotta put it in the oven. Let her bake. We'll be on like Donkey Kong. Like, what are you doing, girl? We need to make this one a little bit more thin. No, we got to make them all the same size. Otherwise, it's not going to cook properly. That much I do know. They need to all be the same thickness, or some might be overbaked, some might be underbaked. We just got to get it together. Okay. There we go. There we go. Like making art. Ew. That's a thick madame right there. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jockeying. They chase me at the school. Okay, bring it back, old school little mama. I'm just gonna flatten her out. Okay, thickums, here we go. All right. Cookie, I am a cookie monster. All right, number 3. I'm gonna make 2 more. Then we're gonna throw these bad boys in the oven. Let them bake. We're gonna figure it out. All right. I just want to point out my little towels that I got to match my theme and match my Christmas tree. I got me some black, white, and gray towels from Home Goods. Here are our gingerbread cookies. Sorry, I think I was covering up the mic. But anyways, here are our gingerbread cookies. We're gonna go ahead and put these in. Excuse my oven. Go cookies, yay! Burn, baby, burn. Timer, I'm gonna put that for 12 minutes because that's what the bag said. And that's it. Okie doke, the timer just went off. And these are what our babies are looking like. Looking real thick. I don't believe that they will be done, but something smells burnt. Let's see. I got a nice golden brown look on the back side, so I think that they're done. This one is really thick. And it smells like cinnamon. Hopefully they're cooked all the way through. I still have some cookie dough left. I think I'm just gonna wrap that up and make it probably tomorrow. I'm gonna let these cool down. And then we are going to ice them. I don't really have like decorating stuff for this. I just wanted to make the cookies because I was like, oh, this will be a nice fun little thing to make. Let's just do a taste test when they cool down. I'm gonna set the timer for about 10 minutes or so. And then I do have some icing. This is from a while ago. It's just some vanilla frosting, but I think it's pink. But we can just spread that on there and give it a go and see how it tastes. But come back in a little bit and we'll see what our gingerbread tastes, or what our gingerbread cakes look. Damn it, why can't I speak right now? Okie doke. Excuse the mess behind here, but we have our little gingerbreads right here. They are now cooled down. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of icing on a few of them. Unfortunately, I don't have the appropriate icing for this. So we'll just use our little funfetti. And we'll ice our little guy up. Okay. Taste test. Okay. Whew, hopefully y'all can see me. Ooh, looking real messy that way. Hold on, let me turn the other way. Let's let y'all see the tree, because we put up the Christmas tree today. Shameless plug. If you haven't seen Vlogmas Day 4, go ahead and check that out. Just upload that on the channel. And we have our little gingerbread cookies that we're gonna go ahead and taste right now. All right. Y'all see me? Kind of light. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Hold on. Currently watching some other YouTuber, Vlogmas, whatever. So, for the cookie, oh, hold on. Okay. So, for the cookie, it has a nice crunch. It is a little dry. I have to say that. And it's probably dry because I didn't use the butter, is what I'm thinking. Or it might just be the mixture. I'm not sure. It's cooked all the way through. I can see that. It's cooked all the way through, so I cooked it just enough time. It doesn't taste very gingerbready. Like when you smell gingerbread, you smell that really rich cinnamon vanilla flavor, and it doesn't taste like that at all. Even if I just bite on the sides where the icing isn't showing, you cannot taste gingerbread. Like the mix, I would not recommend buying this mix. I would recommend probably making the mix. Like I said, I'm not much of a cook, so I didn't want to go and try to make something that I've never made before and then it'd be a complete fail. At least this way it's pre-mixed and I just gotta put everything together, throw it in the oven, and then, like I said, go from there. Wish I would have had some decorations, put little, you know, little buttons on it, on the guy, make some eyes, a little face and everything like that, and make it really cute for you all. But unfortunately, that was not the case. The gingerbread cookies came out good for, you know, what they were. I do enjoy them. I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, eat these. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the night, and hope you all enjoyed watching this video of me making some gingerbread cookies. Yeah, so thank y'all so much for tuning in. Take care. Peace. Together with you.